juggling multiple workspace or like a pro, or just tired of logging in and out every time? Let's make switch between workspace on Slack as smooth as your favorite playlist shuffle. So what you can do is simply go to your profile, and over there you can see add workspace. So if you do so, then you'll have easy access. You can easily switch between Slack workspaces. So tap on add a workspace. Here you can see I have a workspace invite. So what I can do is simply tap on join. You can see over here on sign into another workspace, join another workspace. So what do you want to do? Simply tap on join another workspace, use different email, continue, and tap on the workspace you want to log in. Like this you can join another workspace.